Beware of these 7 SUV nightmares. What you need to know. Introduction: the hidden dangers of popular SUVs. Have you ever felt the rush of excitement when buying a new SUV, only to realize you've made a costly mistake? Today, we're diving deep into the world of SUVs that come with hidden dangers, leaving their owners feeling like they've been scammed. Get ready, because we're about to reveal 7 models that should come with a warning label. If you're considering one of these vehicles, you might want to think twice. Let's uncover the truth behind these seemingly perfect rides. The Jeep 4xe, a hybrid headache. First up is the Jeep 4xe, a model that promises both rugged off-road capability and eco-friendly performance. But can it deliver? As we dig into the details, you'll discover that this hybrid might not be the hero it's marketed to be. Imagine your dream off-roading adventure suddenly turning into a nightmare when you discover your hybrid battery is a ticking time bomb. Numerous reports of battery malfunctions have left owners anxious every time they hit the road. What should be a thrilling ride instead becomes a potential fire hazard. Can you imagine cruising down a trail only to smell something burning? That's the reality for too many Jeep 4xe owners. Nissan Rogue, a commuter's curse. Next on our list is the Nissan Rogue, a family favorite that seems reliable at first glance. But don't be deceived. This SUV hides a host of issues that can turn your daily commute into a financial nightmare. At the heart of the Rogue's problems is its turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, which promises efficiency but delivers disappointment. Owners have reported catastrophic engine failures that leave them stranded and stressed. And let's not forget the notorious continuously variable transmission, CVT, which often fails prematurely. Would you take the risk of putting your family in a vehicle that could cost you thousands in repairs? Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, the minivan disaster. Moving on, we have the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, which was supposed to revolutionize the family minivan market. However, this vehicle has become a cautionary tale of innovation gone wrong. Imagine being on a family road trip, packed with kids and luggage, when suddenly your hybrid system decides to quit. That's right, owners have reported frequent malfunctions that could leave you stranded. And let's face it, nobody wants a minivan that doubles as a fire hazard. The Pacifica Hybrid has faced so many recalls that it's practically a record holder. Is this the family vehicle you want to rely on? Ford Bronco Sport, off-road dreams, turned sour. Next up is the Ford Bronco Sport, which hit the market with promises of rugged adventures. But beneath its tough exterior lies a troubling reality. Many owners have experienced critical issues with the Bronco Sport's EcoBoost engine, including cracking fuel injectors that can leak fuel and potentially cause fires. Could you imagine planning a weekend getaway only to have smoke billowing from your hood? And don't think these issues are just a hiccup. They can leave you stranded miles away from civilization. Is this the reliable adventure vehicle you thought it would be? Infiniti QX50, luxury or liability? Let's shift gears and talk about the Infiniti QX50, a luxury SUV that should offer comfort and reliability. But what happens when the luxurious facade crumbles? The QX50 shares many problems with its less expensive cousin, the Nissan Rogue, including engine breakdowns and a shaky, continuously variable transmission. For a vehicle marketed as a luxury SUV, this is completely unacceptable. Are you really getting value for your money, or just a fancy package hiding the same old issues? Chevrolet, Silverado, and GMC Sierra, the trucking trouble. Next, we explore the Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra, both regarded as symbols of American reliability. However, recent issues have turned these beloved trucks into sources of frustration. Imagine driving down the highway and suddenly hearing a wrenching noise from under the hood. What follows could be catastrophic engine damage, costing you thousands in repairs. With lifter failures and engine shutdowns becoming alarmingly common, these trucks are starting to feel more like a gamble than a reliable investment. Are you willing to take that risk? GMC Yukon, Chevrolet Tahoe, and Cadillac Escalade. Luxury gone wrong. Finally, we arrive at the GMC Yukon, Chevrolet Tahoe, and Cadillac Escalade, SUVs that promise luxury and utility. But the reality is far from glamorous. These vehicles also suffer from the same cylinder deactivation issues that plague other GM models. Imagine planning a family trip only to have your engine sputter and fail on a remote highway. It's not just a possibility, It's a reality for many owners. The high upfront cost of these SUVs quickly turns into a financial drain due to constant repairs. Is this the luxury you signed up for? Conclusion: the cost of ignorance. We've explored the hidden dangers behind some of the most popular SUVs on the market today. From engine failures to fire hazards, these vehicles have left countless owners frustrated and financially drained. Before you commit to an SUV, do your research. Read reliability reports, check owner reviews, and ask the hard questions. Remember, a flashy exterior and catchy marketing mean nothing if you find yourself spending more time in the repair shop than on the road. In the end, a reliable vehicle isn't just about getting from point A to B, it's about peace of mind. So stay informed, be cautious, and drive off into the sunset in a ride you can truly depend on.